So the heater should turn off any moment now. So after the heater turns off, I'm going to run the glow plugs on the engine, just like you would run the glow plugs normally, and wait for the glow plug light to go out also, and then crank the engine over. If I had another person here, I could have them film how much smoke is coming out of the tailpipe while starting. It's not much at all. It smokes for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then everything stabilizes. So as you can see, you need very powerful batteries to run this system, because you're going to be running a 1000-watt heater for about 10 minutes. And that's why I have two deep cycle marine batteries to run my heater. They cost about $175 each, plus tax. You know, you're up to $400 by the time you're done. So anyhow, it should be turning off any moment now. Obviously, the colder the temperature, the longer you have to run the heater. If it's not really cold in the morning, like maybe 60, 65 degrees, then this whole procedure takes about 5 minutes. But since it's quite chilly right now, the system is losing a lot of heat while it's recirculating everything, and that makes it take a lot longer. The batteries are, you know, you always have enough cranking power after you have heated the system, because the inverter would shut itself off if the battery power drops below 11.5 volts, and you know, that's not really draining the batteries. You still have enough cranking power. So as long as the inverter is running, you still have enough cranking power. Well, anyhow, I'm going to start the engine even though it's not turning off, because I believe the system is warm enough yet. I mean, already. So let's put the ignition on. Okay, there you see the glow plug light. That will go out in about a few seconds. So you don't want to rev up the engine too much while it's still warming up. Just leave it around, you know, 1500, and then let it idle on 1000, And so now we have the engine running and the heater is still going because we still need to warm up the engine and let the engine take over the heating of the veggie oil. Okay, and let's look at the tailpipe. Okay, as you can see, there is no smoke at all. This thing is running on 100% veggie oil, started on 100% veggie oil, and there is no smoke. The Suburban engine is very good for veggie oil because it has a 19.5:1 compression ratio, which is significantly higher than most diesel engines. No smoke at all. So this is it. This is how to run diesels without any diesel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.